Hello guys! Today's recipe would be falafel. This recipe is a vegetarian diet, could be filled with bold, exciting flavors. It's crispy, rich, and satisfying, packed with fresh herbs and aromatic spices. All we need is the main ingredients: chickpea. I use canned chickpea, baking powder, cayenne, coriander, cumin, shallot, zest of lemon, garlic, sea salt, cilantro, parsley. At syempre, we need our food processor. Okay, let's start. So first of all, we have to wash our parsley and cilantro. For the measurement, check the description box below. So, eto na ang ating salt, baking powder, cayenne, cumin, and coriander. So, just mix all together and put on the food processor for a pulse method. So it should be look like this. It's not mushy. On a greased baking sheet. So sa ating mixture, let's form a ball. Kailangan lang natin i-flip and cook for more minutes until golden brown. It is best to cook on deep fry, but iwas ng oil, better put on the oven. Crunchy on the outside, soft in the middle, and loaded with herbs and spices. Sarap! You can eat with the hummus or tahini sauce. If you're not in the mood for pita, top your patties onto a big salad along with some crispy roasted chickpeas, or serve it with a bed of quinoa or a cauliflower rice with lots of fresh veggies. Hope you like the recipe. Enjoy!